pretty nasty.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's JoJo.
It's Jimmy.
And welcome to Jake's Family TV. Today, we have an amazing game called
Burping Bobby.
Watch out for his burp. This toy is ages 4 and up, 2 to 4 players. I'm excited about the animal, not the burp itself. On the back of the box, it says, pick a token and check the number, feed the hippo, turn the crank and hear him chew. I don't want to hear him chew though. I don't want to hear him chew. The contents of this game are 1 Burping Bobby hippo, 18 food tokens, 1 water pipette, and complete instructions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's open up this amazing toy. And here we go. Oh. Okay. So, the first thing we have. Oh my god, that's
The rubber ball.
cardboard. And Burping Bobby. He is adorable, but I'm not excited for the burp.
He's not adorable. I am.
Yeah. So we have the 18 food tokens, complete instructions, and we also have the crank and the water pipette, and let's put the box here. So like I said, Bobby, he is full ready, no need to set him up. Also look at his tongue, you can even push it.
Huh?
Yeah, you can even push his tongue down.
What?
I know, it's cool.
That is very scary.
Yeah, I'm not excited for the burp, it's green. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yep. So let's open up everything, take out the tokens, and put the water in. So let's start. So now we're done taking everything out, popping out the tokens. Now let me explain how to play. So first of all, if you want to know what the burp looks like, over here there is a small hole, and if you let it burp, there's gonna be green smoke coming out. Ugh. Ew. Also, how to attach the water, you take out an ear. Also, both ears come out, but just put it in one ear. You attach the water, you put the water inside, put the ear back, and there you go. How to play. We have several food choices over here. We have garlic, onion, soda, cheese, pizza, and beans. So, yes, on these tokens, the food choices will be there, 3 of each. So, this is mainly how to play. If you guess the food choice right, so here's garlic. If you get it right, you keep the token. But if you get it wrong, there will be a number here. So here it says 2. You will put the token inside his mouth. Oh yeah, as it closes, the tongue will go down. And you will turn the crank the number of times you get. So 1, 2. And how you take it out from the back here, and there you go. We're gonna keep the instructions here so we can see the food choices.
That onion.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
I'm kind of scared as well. So let me put the water in the pipette.
No, get that water.
Oh, okay. And let me show you how it burps. That's pretty nasty.
Yeah.
So, are you ready to play?
Yes.
Youngest player first. I'm lucky. Ready? Oh wait, first of all, which one do you think you will get?
This.
No, Jimmy, which food? So we have onion, soda, cheese, pizza, beans, and garlic.
Pizza.
Pizza? Pick one. And what did you get? You got beans! So put it inside. Just inside. Just put it. And crank. 1. Okay. I'm gonna guess onion. I got garlic. Is that pretty? No, it's not close. Okay, I'm gonna put it in.
Another one?
It's 3. 1, 2,
3.
At least it did not burp. Jimmy, okay, let's. Because you saw it. Jimmy, which one do you think this one will be?
Pizza.
Pizza. Flip it. And what did you get? You got pizza. You got pizza. Oh no.
Oh no.
No. Jimmy, you keep it. You got it right. So you get 1 point. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna guess garlic. I got it right. I got 1.
Onion.
So it's a tie. Your turn.
Beans.
Beans. You got soda. Put it in, and you got 2. Okay, ready? 1. And 1 more time. Oh, no, you did it enough. Oh! It burped on your turn!
No, you had to face that.
Too bad. So you have to put this inside and crank 1 time. Okay, Jimmy, you lost your token. Ah! Okay, which one do I get? I'm gonna guess B. I got cheese, and I got 2. So I'm gonna put it inside, and I'm gonna go 1, 2. Oh my god. Okay, which one do you think it will be?
Beans.
Beans. We haven't got beans yet. Okay, guys, we're gonna do this game 3 rounds. So we're gonna wait for 3 burps, and whoever has the most points between me and Jimmy wins. And hopefully I don't get the most burps. Hopefully. So are you ready? Which one do you think it will be?
Beans.
We worry so much about beans. You got onion. And how much did you get? How much did you get? Let me see. Can I see it? Just to make, okay. 3. Crank it. 1. Okay, let's make it like this. 2. And you're safe. I'm gonna guess soda.
Soda.
I got cheese. 3. No. Oh no, but didn't you get 3 last round?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Which one?
Onion.
Onion. Okay. Flip it, just flip it. You got beans!
How many times?
You have to do it 3 times. Let's put it inside. Do it. 1, 2. So you have no tokens, so you're safe this round, and I only have 1 point, which is good. And it's my turn. I'm gonna guess garlic. I got pizza. 3. I think we already used all the 3s. Well, not really, but I think we did.
1.
Wait. No, I have to put mine in. I have to put my garlic and salt.
Eat it.
Stop it. 1. Aw, now I lost my point. Which one do you think? Cheese. Which one? Okay, this one? Is it right? You got onion and you got 2. Please, let me see it.
2.
Yeah, you got 2. 1. Jimmy. 2.
Yeah, I did 2.
No, you did it half. So, my turn. I have to guess beans. And I got beans! 2 points! Woo! Your turn.
I
Wait,
want
which one?
soda.
Soda. Cheese
Cheese.
one. Cheese.
Ah.
I'm so lucky. Oh,
I can't. I can't.
2, right?
1.
1. Oh my god, what is it gonna be? I'm gonna guess beans, because we have only one more beans, I think. I got pizza 2!
Yeah!
Okay, at least it's not 3. Okay. 1. Good luck. Wait, stop. Which one do you think I will buy? Pizza. You got garlic. Which one is it? You got garlic. 2 cranks. Okay, ready? 1. Is it yucky? You have no. Okay, no, wait, Jimmy, let's continue. Oh wait, you didn't put it in. Okay, you have to do it again. Oh wait. So it looks like I won since it has been 3 burps. I won with 2 points. Okay, let's get. No, he didn't play with us. Now let's take out all these tokens.
Okay.
Is this a hippo? Here's the tokens. Why do you want it to burp at his poor face? Look. Ew. Is it yucky? Oh. This is nasty. Also, the tokens come out from his butt.
Hey, you.
And well, Jimmy, do you know what time it is?
The end.
It's time to say goodbye for everyone. Oh, I don't want to leave y'all, guys. And it's the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed this game. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you comment down below what you want to see next, which game. And goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.